How to create AI emojis with GENMOJI in iOS 18. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting. How to make AI emojis using the new GENMOJI feature coming in iOS 18. First, open the Messages app and start a new message or enter an existing thread. Next, tap the plus button to bring up the GENMOJI feature. Now type a description of the emoji you want to create. Be as specific and creative as possible with your prompt. For example, a pink flamingo with tap dancing shoes. After a few seconds, Apple Intelligence will generate several GENMOJI options based on your prompt. Swipe through the selections and tap Insert on the one you like best. Unfortunately, at the time of recording, this feature isn't available in iOS 18.0 or the 18.1 beta, but stay tuned. We'll update you as soon as it goes live. Once the feature goes live, here's how you'll create your AI emoji. While we eagerly await GENMOJI, there are some cool AI tools you can try out to create custom emojis right now. Emoji-open art, you'll be able to create your own AI emojis using GENMOJI. We can't wait to see what creative emojis you come up with.